Welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Piet Nutby. In this video tutorial I would like to show you how you can log in your website to edit content, and in this case we're logging in on the so-called front end, the front part of the website. On your website you will have a login link for those users that have asked for that login link, and in this case in the sample website I've just made it a menu item, but in your website it could be at the bottom left or bottom right. That is something that should be known to you where that login is. Once you've found your login link, you can click it and you get a field with a username and password. That username and password will have been given to you. Once I use my username and password and click on login, I can now edit items. How can I see that I can edit items? You can see this little mini icon which represents a blank page with a pencil. You can start editing your items in your website. Once you're done, what is very important to do is to log out. You can do that by clicking that same login link, and you will see that you then get a log out button. I click that and then you can see that my edit icon is gone. So far for logging into the front end of your website. Now, how can you log in the administrative part of the website so that you can really add new articles and add menu items, etc., etc.? Most of the web browsers will now have a tab feature, so I will work in a new tab. I will go to my website, and in this case where it says yourdomain.ca, of course you have to fill in your own website's domain, and then behind this front slash I'll type administrator. And then I get the login to the so-called back end of the website. Again, the username and password should have been given to you. I type it in, and here you have the so-called administrative back end, and as you can see there's a lot more features here, and we'll get to what you can do in this back end in a different tutorial. Also, when you're done here, very important to use logout at the right top, and as you can see we're now logged out. This was logging into the back end of your website.